Okay, well, hello and welcome back. A little bit different today. I'm at the Spezia main train station, and we're going to take the hop-on, hop-off train through Cinque Terre. And it's the 2nd of January, so it'll be interesting to see how it is in winter. In summer, it's absolutely packed. So I've got my ticket. Let's hit the first train. So here we are. I'm trying to cover the microphone as much as possible because it is a bit breezy. This is Levanto, right down at the other end, so this is where we're going to start. Amazingly enough, the train was pretty packed, full of tourists, even on the 2nd of January. The sun is shining and I guess everyone's on holiday, but the water's lovely. It's just a lovely place to be. And obviously in summer it's ridiculously full, so it's better. It's still not empty, but it's much better. So as you can see, we've just arrived in Monte Rosso, which is one of the most spectacular train stations in the world, I think, behind me. And you just walk out straight onto the sea, really. So it's a little bit breezy, but nothing too bad. And in fact, you know, for January, a lovely day. Again, not massively busy. In summer, when you come out here, there are hundreds and hundreds of people. So we're just going to have a quick wander around and then hop back on the train for the next stop. I don't think we'll stop at every single one today, but we'll stop at a few. Okay, well here we are in Manarola. Pretty full actually, to be honest. Lots of people about, and the weather is slowly turning, but still lovely. It's not often you have boats parked outside coffee shops and restaurants on a little road down to the harbour. For this you'll probably recognise this is the postcard village, Manarola. And there it is. I'm just going to walk up. It's like a sea walk. And at the top there's a couple of restaurants, but they're closed now, obviously in winter. And we had our focaccia, but it's still a very beautiful day out. Even if I am still in the edge of the frame. So well, we made it back up after the lovely day out, and it seems to have worked because kids asleep in the back of the car almost immediately as soon as we got on the motorway. So it was about 40 minutes down, and it was a wonderful, very cheap day out. Unfortunately up here it's now raining a little bit. I'm going to meet up with some friends in the cooperativa up here, and then go out to dinner this evening for a pizza, and then it'll be back to Innsbruck tomorrow. But first I shall put together the outro to this with the costs, and you'll see that you'd be hard pressed to have a cheaper and better day out at the beginning of the year, you know, off season, which I think is going to be the new season. And although I say off season, last train was packed. Okay, well, safely back in Austria. And time to do the outro and the recap on this. So here's the cost breakdown. The day ticket for a family of 2 adults and 2 children is €36.20, and you can get on and off as many times as you like between La Spezia and Levanto. So that's a bargain, and children under 4 travel free. So the family ticket, 2 adults, 2 children, but if you have a third one under 4, then you can take him along or her along for free. If you don't have kids, it's $14.80 per person per day. We spent $7.50 parking the car in La Spezia, although I don't think you can count that with the day trip, so I'm going to take that off again. But the car park at La Spezia station is I think 150 an hour. 10 euros for focaccia for lunch, which was delicious and fresh. 270 for coffee, because coffee is wonderful and very cheap in Italy. And that's what we spent. So if you take the 750 off, we're under 50 euros for a day trip for 4 people. And we really had a wonderful day. As you saw, the kids fell straight asleep in the car on the way back. And they've been talking about it since. The raw sea, it's beautiful. It's such a beautiful place to be. So I can highly recommend this. And that's that. So something a little bit different, but it was a day trip, and I didn't really get any work done. So on that note, I hope you all had a great Christmas and New Year, and are slowly settling into 2024. As I am, I have a lot of work on in January, but hopefully I'll be able to squeeze another trip out before the end of the month and actually get something done. Until then, thank you all for last year. Thank you for following. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for your coffee, for your support, for your t-shirts and everything else. And I hope that we'll have a great 2024 together. So I hope you're all well. Take care, and bye-bye for now.